Hey everybody, my name is Marcus, and in this video I will show you how you can simply change speakers in Google Meet. So let's start. The first thing you want to do is just be simple in Google Meet, and then click here to settings menu, and you're gonna see here speakers, right? So you can like choose which one you actually want. And always guys, like what you can do is like the same when you have a microphone here, you can just go like speakers and you can test it out, right? Okay, so this is not working. So again, settings, this one, and now you can hear it, right? So this is how you can simply test it. And it's like really easy, really simple. And thank you very much everybody for watching. If you have any questions guys, ask me down in the comments. I'll be happy to help you, and yeah, have a great day and goodbye.